This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about jiggers, specifically these Bar Lux Jiggers. And we have two styles here. We have the Japanese style in a black plated stainless steel. And you can see it's a 2-ounce and 1-ounce measure. And then we have the Negroni or Bell style in the gold plated stainless. And it's also a 2-ounce and 1-ounce capacity. The Japanese style is available in the black plated, also a brushed finish, copper plated, gold plated, and then a regular silver stainless steel. And they all feature this lovely, narrow, tall design, which I like because it makes it easy to spot on a busy bar. And it also has internal measuring lines. So if you need 1.5 ounces, there's a little marker on there on the inside. So it's great not only for those 1 and 2 ounce measures, but also things like you've got a 1/2 and 3/4 line in there as well. So if you need to do some other amounts on those liquids, this is a nice one, especially if you haven't mastered your pours yet. And I like the nice open, wide design of this bell-shaped. So especially if you don't have little speed pours and you're pouring from just the openings of bottles, this one is a nice wide opening. It's going to be easy to get that liquid down in there. The bell styles come in black plated, copper plated, the gold plated, which we have here, and also that silver stainless steel, giving you lots of different choices between the finishes and the two styles. They're all two-sided for simple, quick and easy measuring of liqueurs, cordials, juices, syrups, and other ingredients for making your cocktails. And they're all made of stainless steel, so they're really built to stand up to heavy use in busy environments and even things like really acidic juices. It's recommended to hand wash these items to help maintain that beautiful finish. And these are going to be perfect for bars, hotels, restaurants, to use at catered events, or just at home to add a nice special touch to your own bar setup.